Beginners on the drums often struggle to coordinate all four hands and feet. And if this is you, you are not alone. Everyone struggles with this in the beginning. But today, we've got the fix. We've got some exercises guaranteed to improve your hand and foot coordination. And then as an added bonus, at the end of this video, we're going to be starting a new feature.
Imagine, a bonus!
Groove Guide, Mastering Basic Beats. In each one of these, we'll be featuring a different basic beat. Beats you can play and adapt to your favorite songs.
That's exactly what I want too.
In our first two drum kit lessons, we showed you how to play your first songs, and we showed you some drum notation. So now let's apply all of that and let's start working on our coordination. Drummers and instructors often refer to that coordination between your two hands and your 2 feet as independence. Now the exercises I'm about to show you will help speed your progress towards independence and will open up so much more beats and rhythms in your repertoire. And we're going to do that by progressing you through different variations and difficulty levels. We're going to start with some beginner exercises, but remember, independence takes time and practice. So take your time with these, start slow, and repeat them over and over again until you can play them smoothly and easily.
You can do it!
Then once you're comfortable with them, try speeding them up, but not until you can play them precisely. Here are the instructions for these exercises. There's 3 exercises: hi-hat variations, snare variations, and kick variations. Start each of them at 50 beats per minute. Play each song with the ride on a closed hi-hat. You can loop each bar until comfortable and then loop the entire exercise. Then progress by increasing the BPM slowly. And most importantly, repeat, repeat, repeat. Okay, let's start with the hi-hat variations. We'll be keeping the kick on 1 and 3 and the snare on 2 and 4, just as we did in our video, How to Play Your First Song. Okay, so we're going to start nice and slow at 60 beats per minute, and we'll loop each bar a couple of times till you're comfortable with it, and then we'll do the entire exercise and loop that. So I'll demonstrate that for you now. 60 beats per minute, let's go. Let's try the whole thing. 2, 3. Alright, how was that? Now make sure that you focus on playing it clean and controlled, and think about your hand technique and staying loose.
It's important to stay limber and loose.
And the movement should come from your wrists and not from your arms. And remember, you don't need to hit hard or be tense. I'm not going to repeat that exercise now, but just remember to repeat this over and over again until you feel comfortable and can play it easily. And if you can play it easily, or once you can, great. Then speed it up. Just remember, never play tense. Next, we'll try some variations on the kick drum. For this exercise, both the hi-hat and the snare will remain steady, with the hi-hat playing 8th notes and the snare on 2 and 4 as before. Okay, once again, nice and slow at 60 beats per minute. Two, three, four. Finally, we'll try some variations on the snare drum. This time, only the hi-hat will remain steady with steady 8th notes. We're going to mix some variations on snare and kick in this exercise. And again, one more time at 60 beats per minute. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. To this point, we've been playing all these exercises with a closed hi-hat and our ride there. To add further variation to this sound and to get our left foot involved, you can play all these exercises again with your ride on the ride cymbal and your hi-hat foot on 2 and 4. Also, you can do them all again once you've mastered that, with the hi-hat on all 4 beats. Now that you've learned some basic techniques, let's start applying these to real-life drumming. Yes! In our first drum kit video, we showed you some basic rock beats. Today, we're going to show you the shuffle. Now, there are a lot of variations to the shuffle, but this is a very basic version that all shuffles are based on. All the shuffle is really is a basic rock beat with a little swing and syncopation added. The shuffle is very common and it's rooted in blues and jazz, and there are infinite examples in those genres, but it's also used in almost every genre. For example, in rock, some classic examples are Don't Stop by Fleetwood Mac, Pride and Joy by Stevie Ray Vaughan, Rocky Mountain Way by Joe Walsh. And some more recent examples are Gold on the Ceiling by the Black Keys, Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton, even So What by Pink is a shuffle. So the shuffle is a very versatile beat that every drummer should learn. And it goes like this. Now, feel is everything for the shuffle beat. So you really want to focus on that when you're playing. You want to try to feel that swing. So let's try it again a little slower. And again, one more time, but we'll pick it up a little bit this time. 1, And there it is, that's the shuffle. Now we'll delve into this more in later lessons and show you some of the variations on the shuffle, but now you've got the basic. So try it out, try playing along with some of those songs that I mentioned or other songs with a shuffle feel until you're comfortable with the beat. Okay, that's it for today, folks. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified. See you soon.